Okay guys, in today's video we're gonna touch on importing sales into Greater Giving. So scenario for this would be at an event that's using a mobile bidding system that's external to Greater Giving, or a mobile paddle raise like the one they do at the Make-A-Wish event here in Portland. So the first thing is that there's going to be a package set up for, typically it's going to be, donation. Um, so I'd already created what I'm calling the mobile paddle raise package. And there it is. It's package number 600. It's donation type. So it's automatically a multi-sale. And with the mobile paddle raise, we don't know what the amounts are going to be, so there's no price. And that's going to come from the CSV file that we're going to import anyway. So you're going to be provided with a CSV file, and it's going to look something like this. So there might be a number here. This is ESO, which is short for serial number. You're going to have the bidder number. You're going to have the package number. In this case, they provide us with the name, so it can be displayed up on the screen, and then the donation amount, and then in this case, whether or not they want their name to show, and the pledge time. So this is really all we need out of this file is the bidder number, the package number, and the amount, okay, to get that sale into the system. So this is a CSV file, and we're just going to come back to Greater Giving. We're going to go to the sales area. We're going to click on our import button here. We're going to choose the file, which is in our downloads. We've chosen the file. We'll start with the default mapping. Click next. It automatically mapped name and sale price. We don't really care about the bidder name in this case, so I'm going to just map the bid number, the package number, and the price. Those are the three things we need. That's all we care about. And then we click next, and it says something about it when importing supporter name fields. If the name in the import file matches, you can create a new supporter or assume that the name provided. Now we're not doing names, so it's just going to match based on bid numbers. Now you'll see here that there's a lot of errors, and the reason is because there's no bid numbers that match. See all these? This is a file that was given to me by, this is an example I'm using from an event last year. We don't have these bid numbers in our system. We have a few of them, and that's why some of these will say will import successfully, but the bulk of these will not import successfully. So the system will not let you get past this screen, but normally, we are going to have all these are going to say imported successfully, assuming the bid numbers are in the system. So if they're not, then there's something wrong with the CSV file, and you need to figure that out. But generally speaking, you're going to be good to go. And you would just click next, and it would just import all the sales. And it'd be like keying all in one by one, except it's done all in one fell swoop. The only thing you want to be conscious of when you're doing these is if you have to do multiple ones within the night, which is sometimes the case, you want to make sure when you choose the file, you choose the correct one, because if you do an import again, there's no warning that, oh, you've already imported this sale. It's just going to create a second one, and you'll wind up with duplicates with your sales. So that's it. Pretty straightforward.